thought we'd do a little tool review on this Workzone drill, battery drill. I've had it about 6 months and I've got to say I'm quite impressed with it. It's only a small little one. It's very light. Comes with a little box, charger, only one battery, an assortment of small drills, a few screwdriver bits, extender. So there's a nice little case with bits and pieces in. I think that's 3/8 capacity chuck in there. It works nice, 2-speed. It's got a little light on the side, tells you when the battery's running out. The battery lasts quite well on this. That's all it is. They look like, by the looks of that, they are. It's got 3 AA batteries in there, but they're not. They're slightly larger in diameter and slightly longer. So whatever they are. But it's got all the ratchet. There's no hammer on it. It's got the ratchet for setting the tension for the screws, and then the drill only. The battery it's a 12 volt, it's 2000 amp hour, which is pretty good. Holds its charge quite well. 3 lights, so it's down to the red light when its battery's nearly run out. Got a light under there, which is handy. It's quite a nice bright one. So I thought what I'd try and do is drill a couple of holes. We'll use the biggest drill. Now this is quite a hard piece of wood. I think it's beech. High speed. It's clogging up, but that is. It drills okay, and the drill bits seem quite reasonable actually. They're not cheapy ones, well, not that I can tell. But they're not like these tungsten coated and stuff. And even like the screwdriver bits, I've used these and they seem to stand up quite well. I've had some that I thought they were made of pewter. They were so flimsy and twisted as soon as you tried to undo a screw with them. But these seem okay. I've even bought a Makita set where the screwdriver bits have been that brittle that they just shatter as soon as you try to do anything a little bit tight with them. But I've got some screws. We can try them. Let's set it to, I've got 19 on there. Let's set it to 10 and we'll try that in there, just straight off, no pilot. So that's ratcheting up at, that's 10, 13, how far is it going to go? 16. So it drives that straight in. Well, that's 2 3/4 inch. What could you call that? Probably a number 10 It's a Spax screw, so I don't know how that compares. So there's a real long one. See how this compares. We'll do it into end grain and see what it does. And that is, well, that's 5 1/4. Looks like that. So we'll go to the highest torque setting. No, we'll drive that. But if we put it on the screw where there's no ratchet, and we broke the screwdriver bit. So it does have its limits. Not overly worried about that because I've got loads of screwdriver bits, but we was pushing it really, really hard. It wasn't quite the right bit either, so no, it's not going to undo itself. Anyway, I think that was quite an effort really, going into there. It's quite hard wood, quite a long screw. So it was 5 and something inches, so that screwed that in 2 inches straight in. But that's completely destroyed that. But overall, I think it's, for the money it is, and for something small and light, for the light user around the home in a small little workshop like this, I think it's an ideal thing. I've got other battery drills. I've got a Makita and a Works one, but that's really old and I really need to get new batteries for it or just junk it. So, but for this, for being so useful and light and handy, battery lasts quite some time. It doesn't take too long to charge. I think it's quite handy to have around the workshop. I'll get a new. I've got a pot here with loads of screwdriver bits in, so I can see if I find a replacement for that, which I'll do. There's all sorts in there. I'll soon find one. So yeah, I'd give that a thumbs up, that drill. It's quite good, quite powerful, nice and responsive. Okay, see you another time.